destination. We have to ride in a kayak in order to be able to reach that lagoon where there is a small tunnel. It's about 1.5 meters high. And for us to be able to lagoon, we have to enter through that small tunnel. And so here we are. Albert is the one who is doing the canoeing. We are in a kayak. Rented it for about 600, but I made a discount as a senior citizen. So here we are now. We are now entering the opening of the small. Albert, please, Albert. Oh, gandahan ha. Gandahan.